This is my life song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned up. So right now I'll be strong.
Hi everyone, how is it going? What? Okay, yes, to the title, so you know what I'm gonna say, the 5 of the facts about PCOS, because there's a whole heap of facts out there. There's a lot of them out there. So I'm gonna give you five. But before I do so, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Also hit the notification button so you know when we upload new PCOS videos and other videos. Okay, you know, so me I vlog too, right? Alright. So anyway, let's get into it. 5. Number 1, 5 things that I will say that a lot of people don't know about having PCOS every period. Because if you have PCOS and you have it to the point that you don't have your period for months, like it's irregular, when you do have your period, it's heavy and also it's painful. Yeah. So yeah, it's really heavy to the point that you probably, those tampered, me not think that's gonna work. And if it do work, you probably have to change it all like 10 times within half an hour. Heavy periods, number 1. Sorry if it's TMI. For the title, you're supposed to know what I'm gonna talk about, so I'm sorry. The next one is no period. A lot of people know this is associated with PCOS. The sister get big, like after you have a period before, the month after that, there's no period. So you say, what go on? I take birth control last month. But if you're new to this, you have to continually take it. I think taking it 3 months in a row or 4 months in a row, for me, I will probably take it 3 months in a row, and then the month after, I'll probably have a period on my own. Very rarely, the month after that, I'll probably have a period on my own again. Number 3, craving. I don't know if this craving is from metformin, and craving. I crave sugar, as in chocolate sugar, but it tastes so good. But what can I do? I have to cut it down. So with the metformin, it basically helps you to keep on the lower side of the carbs and the sugar. I recently got the knowledge that taking the metformin, it increases your craving. So please tell me now, how does that work? Number 4, mood change. With PCOS, your mood, you're up there, up here, right there, in between, all over the place sometimes. Sometimes me I find myself, I cry to a movie. Oh, why am I crying? Right? But no, sometimes I'm upset, sometimes I just want to be in my own little space. So you have those mood changes. It's not because you're pregnant, it's not because you're on your period, but it's just because you have PCOS. The last one, either you have less ovulation or you don't ovulation at all when you have PCOS. Rise above PCOS and just leave it on the bottom shelf. Just leave it down there. With PCOS, but there's things again that can help you. Drugs from your doctor or naturally. Oh, you're not ovulating, wonder why? You may have PCOS. Get it checked. There's a lot of knowledge you gain about researching about PCOS and then researching about your body in general. You know what I mean? But don't give up hope, ladies. Please don't give up hope, right? I'm here. Send me questions, anything you want to ask me. I am here. My experience may be similar to your experience, but do not, I repeat, do not give up hope. May I try my best, and I hope you are as well. Like and subscribe button to see a few more of these videos. More obviously that you guys are watching and you like it, I can continue to share my progress and share my lifestyle with you. I am out. Later.